Are you finding video marketing to be too time consuming for your business? You know video marketing is important, but you're finding it hard to justify the amount of time and money that you're spending on it. To make the most of your time and investment, you need to repurpose your content. That means taking your video and adapting it into more content as well as different formats. But how can you create more content from your videos? Today, I'm going to show you 5 different ways. Are you looking to grow your business using video marketing? Then make sure you subscribe and ring the bell to catch our weekly videos all about creating better content and getting it found online. Are you writing scripts for your videos? If not, you should be. Not only do they help focus your video and get your message across, but they also make it easier to transfer your content into different formats. The easiest way to repurpose your content is to take your script and turn it into a blog post. You can even feature your video at the top of your blog post so your audience has the choice whether they want to watch or read. The amount of work involved is minimal. So after copying and pasting your script, you just need to give it a quick edit to remove any references to video and then add in some headings just to break up the article a little bit. If you're releasing videos weekly, that also means you're going to have a weekly blog post, which Google loves. This is how we got our blog post, Why Use the Premiere feature on YouTube, to the top of Google search results for the terms how to premiere on YouTube. Bonus tip, why not create a LinkedIn article from your blog? Again, this is usually just a case of copying and pasting from your blog to LinkedIn, and this is going to help you reach a whole new audience. What about creating shorter videos from your longer content? So you have a decent length video covering the top 5 tips to save you money on your household bills. Why not take each of these tips and cut them up into smaller videos for social media? You can even include a link in the post saying for the rest of the tips, check out the full video here, and this is going to drive more people to your YouTube video and channel. It's best if you plan this in advance, as you may have to tailor your script to make it easier to edit out certain sections of the video. What if you don't do tip videos? Are there a few sentences or a key piece of information that you can cut out? What about a catchy quote? There are loads of different ways that you can create shorter content from your longer videos. How about turning your video content into images? Along the same lines as making shorter videos, can you take a key piece of information and distill it down to one sentence? Then why not make an image from this and include more information in the post description? Again, you can also include a link to the full YouTube video. Do you listen to podcasts? Podcasting is a huge business now, with hundreds of millions of pounds spent on advertising yearly. If your content allows, why not strip out your audio and turn it into a podcast? If it doesn't quite work, why not have a look at editing your script to make it a bit more audio friendly, and then you can just record it on your phone. Podcasts are incredibly easy to set up now. With sites like Anchor.fm, all you need to do is upload your audio and they'll distribute it to all the podcasting services like Apple Podcasts and Spotify for you. As your podcast grows, they'll also take care of advertising for you, and the best thing about all of this, it's free to use. The last way to repurpose your content? Write a book. No, I'm not crazy. This isn't as hard or as time consuming as it sounds. You've already written the scripts for your videos and turned those scripts into blog posts. Why not take a group of posts that are all around a similar topic and turn it into a book? You'll need to write an introduction and a conclusion and edit your posts to make sure that they flow between chapters, but this is a lot less work than starting from scratch. Books are a great way of building authority and showing yourself as a leader in your field. That's why one of my main goals for the next 18 months is to create the Business YouTube Bible. Using all the blog posts that I have written so far, I want to create a complete guide of using YouTube to grow your business. Would you be interested in a book like that? I'd love to hear your thoughts, so please leave them in the comments. Just to recap, my 5 ways of repurposing your video content are turning your videos into blog posts, editing your longer videos into shorter social media videos, taking images and quotes to use on social media, turning your video into podcasts, and using your content to write a book. Do you have any of your own ways to repurpose video content? Then please leave them in the comments below, as I'd like to make a follow-up video including your suggestions. If you'd like more content creation ideas, then watch this playlist. If you're struggling with your confidence on camera, then watch this video and make sure you click here to subscribe and catch our weekly videos all about growing your business through video marketing.